So, pasukin na natin yung sa Opal.
Opal model unit. Okay?
So, this could be your living area, no?
Yes.
And then, dito yung sa dining. And kasama na to parang wash area or kitchen
Yes, the
area.
kitchen top. Oo. Pati itong big one natin, kasama na rin yan.
And sa ilalim, on the ground floor, meron siyang, CR
or the bathroom.
Toilet and bathroom.
Yes.
Ayan siya. Tapos, most of the clients kasi are parang gusto is meron silang dirty kitchen. So, you have the provision here for your dirty kitchen and laundry.
Yes.
Mahilig ka bang maglaba, sir?
Ay, oo naman.
Oo naman.
Palagi natin ginagawa yan.
So, ito, pwede naman dito
mag-extend for the dirty
for
kitchen.
the dirty kitchen.
Yes, oo.
And ang ganda talaga ng sunset. No?
Ayan, pa-sunset na. Pablubog na
Okay.
talaga siya.
Sige. Yun. So, that's on the ground floor. And then, on the second floor, we have the
The 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
And of course, the toilet and bath. Meron pa tayong isang toilet and bath sa taas. So basically, dalawa.
dalawa. Kasi sometimes, sir, may mga clients na, ayoko nang bumaba para,
that's
mag-CR.
why, nandun
So,
yung isa sa taas.
For the master's bedroom, meron pa.
Meron po tayo.
Tara.
Yes.
Pakit tayo. Let's go!